Top compact cameras blend portability with power. The Fujifilm X100 V delivers stunning 40mm photos with retro style. Street photographers prefer the pocket-sized Ricoh GR4. Vloggers love the Sony ZV-1F for its creator-focused features. For travel, the super zoom Nikon Coolpix P1100 offers incredible reach, while the rugged OM system TG7 is built for adventure underwater. Starting at number 1, Kodak PIXPRO FZ55RD. The Kodak PIXPRO FZ55RD is a 16-megapixel digital camera that combines vintage style with modern functionality, featuring a vibrant red design that appeals to users seeking a dedicated, easy-to-use device for everyday photography. It is equipped with a 5x optical zoom and a 28mm wide-angle lens, allowing for versatile framing, from expansive landscapes to detailed close-ups, all while preserving image quality through true optical zoom. The camera also supports 1080p Full HD video recording, making it suitable for casual vlogging and capturing memories in motion, which can be viewed on its 2.7-inch LCD screen. Its compact and lightweight build, weighing around 100 grams, makes it exceptionally portable and a popular choice for travel, outdoor activities, and as a trendy, cute camera for younger users. While it delivers charming, emo-styled photos in good lighting and is praised for its value and ease of use, some users caution that its performance, particularly in low light conditions, may not match that of modern smartphones, and a few reviews note occasional reliability concerns with the lens or battery. Number 2, Sony ZV-1F. The Sony ZV-1F vlog camera is a compact and user-friendly device designed specifically for content creators and vloggers, featuring a black finish that exudes a professional and sleek aesthetic. It is built around a large 1.0 type 20.1 megapixel Exmor RS CMOS sensor, which delivers high-quality 4K video and excellent low-light performance, setting it apart from standard smartphone cameras. A key feature is its fixed 20mm ultra-wide f2.0 lens, which is ideally suited for handheld vlogging, ensuring creators can easily fit themselves and their surroundings into the frame. To further simplify the creative process, the camera includes vlogger-centric functionalities such as a one-touch background defocus button for achieving cinematic blur, a product showcase mode for seamless focus transitions during reviews, and a directional 3-capsule microphone with a supplied windscreen for clear audio capture. The side-flip LCD touchscreen makes framing and menu navigation intuitive, while the camera's built-in steady-shot stabilization helps produce smooth footage even when moving. Additionally, its plug-and-play USB-C connectivity allows it to function as a high-quality webcam for live streaming, adding to its versatility for digital content creation. Number 3, CAMKORY FHD 1080p camera. A digital camera, FHD 1080p. Digital point-and-shoot camera with 16x zoom. Anti-shake, 32GB card, compact small camera for boys, girls, and kids. Pink is a fun and easy-to-use camera designed especially for beginners and young photographers. It captures clear Full HD 1080p videos and high-resolution photos, up to about 44-48 megapixels, allowing kids to record their favorite memories with bright and natural colors. The 16x digital zoom helps capture distant objects, while the anti-shake feature reduces blur for sharper images. Its compact, lightweight design fits easily in small hands or pockets, making it perfect for travel, school activities, or family outings. The included 32GB memory card provides plenty of storage for thousands of photos and videos, and simple point-and-shoot controls make it easy for children and beginners to use without complicated settings. Number 4, FLATIC 5K digital camera. The FLATIC 5K digital camera is a powerful, yet beginner-friendly camera designed for photography, vlogging, and everyday content creation. Featuring an impressive 75mm photo resolution and 5K video recording, it captures ultra-clear images and smooth, high-quality videos perfect for social media and YouTube. The camera includes fast autofocus technology, helping users easily capture sharp photos and steady footage without complicated settings. Its 180-degree flip screen makes it ideal for selfies and vlogging, allowing creators to monitor their shots while recording. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, users can quickly transfer photos and videos to their smartphone for instant sharing online. The package also includes a 64 GB TF card, providing plenty of storage for photos and videos. Compact and lightweight, this vlog travel camera kit is perfect for beginners, teens, and aspiring content creators who want a simple, portable camera for capturing memories, travel moments, and YouTube content with ease. Number 5. FLATIC Cameras. The FLATIC Cameras for photography is a versatile and high-resolution device designed for beginners, teens, and content creators, offering a choice of 6K, 5K, or 4K video recording alongside impressive photo capabilities, ranging from 64 megapixels to 75 megapixels. A standout feature is its 180-degree flip screen, which makes framing selfies and vlogging effortless. And it is often praised for being a complete beginner-friendly kit right out of the box. The camera typically includes a 64 GB or 32 GB memory card, 2 rechargeable batteries, a card reader, and additional accessories like macro and wide-angle lenses, providing excellent value and eliminating the need for immediate extra purchases. With built-in Wi-Fi for easy sharing and a USB webcam mode for live streaming, this camera delivers solid performance in good lighting conditions, making it a strong entry-level option for those stepping up from smartphone photography. However, users should be aware of its limitations, which include subpar low-light performance and the lack of an external microphone jack on some models, meaning audio quality may not meet professional standards.